Welcome back. This video is specifically on understanding the harmonic pattern AB equals CD. As you can see on the screen, you can see three AB equals CD patterns. There's nothing difficult to understand about them, just that harmonic patterns, if you have a look at the previous videos, are movements in price in markets that show up in the chart and are very representative of human psychology. So let's start here with the blue AB equals CD. You can see this length here. If I move it, just to prove to you, is this length here. Okay, so that line in the sand projects right out into the future. So back in June last year, the ABCD in time, when I say time, that's the x-axis, time, in 96 days, 106 days it took for that to form. If we just copy that, we can see that the bottom should have come in the bottom should have come in a few months later. It did create a cycle. This again is cycles. Look at the bottom it created, but the actual real pattern completed down here. And just have a look at how that's been made up, because it's just so interesting how from the fact that the cycle called the turn, the ABCD called the turn, you've also got this internal purple ABCD, which actually confirmed the turn. And then you have another one. It really is like the magic eye from the from the 90s, when you used to look at those charts and the image pops out of you. So moving over to the blank page, just going to draw ABCD patterns out. So the rules with them. ABCD pattern up, ABCD pattern down. Actually, to make it really work. So the rules are AB equals CD exactly 60% of the time. So let's label these up. AB equals CD 60%. The other 40%, CD is an extension in length of AB. What do I mean by that? I'll show you. So the minute AB equals CD, now the Fibonacci extensions we use, the extensions are 127% and 161.8%. So let's do that. We get the fib extension tool, not the retracement, the extension, and we go measure that, bring it back to the entry, and we notice some markers. Let me just draw them out. This is the 127. This is the 161.8. So we know that our CD leg, if it fails at D, we know our CD leg's going up here. I'll do that in a different color. So you can see that that is the alternative. The same thing for the way down on the right. We'll measure the CD leg with the extension tool to get the relevant movements. So the maximum extension, it's going to be down here. That's going to be a 161% extension. We also have an extension down to the 127, and that's the other move. So I hope that makes sense. Do watch all the videos. Please like them, and thanks very much.